Whether constructing new buildings or renovating old structures, Uponor understands that our colleges and universities are an essential part of preparing for the future. The buildings in which we learn play an important role in our education. For this reason, Uponor is dedicated to helping engineers and contractors design and install safe, efficient, and high-performing plumbing and hydronic solutions for higher education facilities. The Uponor Complete Polymer Solution combines the durability of both PEX and PPRCT for sustainable piping systems that resist corrosion and scale buildup while minimizing maintenance concerns. With support from the Uponor Construction Services team, your projects can feature plumbing and hydronic solutions that offer unparalleled reliability and performance. Funding new construction or renovations can be challenging. That's why Uponor strives to create genuine value for every project, with a focus on increased job site productivity. From stronger, lighter, and longer-lasting polymer piping solutions to easier, safer installations, Uponor works to keep your project on schedule and on budget. With easier maintenance, maximum system efficiencies, and a complete system warranty, the benefits extend far beyond the pipe and fittings. And with additional options, such as radiant heating and cooling, turf conditioning, and snow and ice melting solutions, Uponor helps entire campuses become safer, more efficient, and more comfortable than ever before. From classrooms to athletic fields and dorms to sidewalks, higher education facilities should work just as hard as the students, faculty, and staff inside them. At Uponor, our mission of reliable and sustainable solutions moves your projects forward.